Time now for a bite of the week. It comes from an eyewitness of the deadly crash along the Belmont Main Road in Westmoreland earlier this week. She was expressing concern about the response time of emergency crews. Here's our bite of the week.
You know, I always hear people talk about it, but witnessing it firsthand really goes to show the major gaps that are in our healthcare system. We're down there, and from the reach, I call the ambulance, I call the police, I call the firefighter, I call everybody. I mean, tell you, say, over 20 minutes later, nobody no show up. Nobody was there. When we go, one woman down a bush, the woman fly out of the car, the next man then on the road lay down, and the next man in a film car a fight for him life.